today I have a Sheglam try on for you guys. I have been testing some of these out, so I kind of have a little bit of an opinion on them, but not really. So I might have to do reviews, separate reviews on these, but I thought we would do a full face of Sheglam and see what these products are about. So we're gonna start off with the Complexion Pro. This is their long-lasting, breathable matte foundation. I got the shade Sand, and I did test this out once to work, and it wore really nicely, and also I felt like the shade was really on point. Basically, they say this is long lasting. It's supposed to be matte or semi-matte and supposed to look beautiful on your skin. If you guys want a full on, like, full demo review, wear test, let me know down below and I will do it. But this is the shade Sand. So I'm just gonna pump some out, and we're gonna do half the face so you guys can see the coverage. And they also sell little packs on their website. So if you're interested in, like, you don't want to purchase it and want to see what shade you are, I think you can buy like 3 little color packs for $1. But I just went ahead and went for it. I kind of guesstimated what my shade was. On their Instagram, they have really good swatches, and you can definitely color match yourself there. This does look a little bit Oompa Loompa-ish, a little bit too yellow for me at first, but once I set everything, it really matches. But you can see there, it is really a semi-matte, and that is the coverage. It's medium to full coverage, and you could add a little oil, make this a little bit more watery, less coverage if you wanted to, or sometimes I like to mix in like one of these shimmery kind of primers with it, and that helps to just make it a little bit more dewy. So there's different ways of playing around with foundations and getting them to work for you. Now that we have the base down, I did get a concealer. I feel like I got it a little bit way too light. This is in the shade Cotton Candy. I didn't really find like good swatches on these, so this one's just a tad bit too light for me, but I still feel like I can make it work. And I don't remember what the box says about this one, but let's see. It says 12-hour full coverage concealer. It's supposed to have a soft matte finish and is medium to full coverage. Sorry if you can hear the lawnmower. My husband's mowing the lawn. Today is the day that we try to take advantage and try to do as many things as possible because my son is gone for a few hours. So sorry if you hear that noise. Here is the coverage. As you can see there, it's a little light. I wish I'd gotten a little bit more of a darker undertone, but I can still make it work. It really brightens up the under eyes. I think that it has a nice medium to full coverage as well, and does dry down matte, which is basically what it says. But I feel like for the price point, these are really good. So far, I am impressed. Because literally you could buy your whole face for probably less than 30 bucks. Next thing, we're gonna set the whole face and the under eye using their loose powder. This is called their Baked Glow setting powder, and I got the shade Cappuccino, which I feel like is a really great shade for me. It does come with a little powder puff, which to be honest I don't really care for. And what this says is that it is a lightweight, translucent, high oil control loose powder, and it has radiant, kind of like glowy texture to your skin. It has like light reflecting particles. It's supposed to minimize blur pores, fine lines, and wrinkles without getting cakey. And I do feel like this shade is on point with me. It's a little bit more peachier than what I'm used to, but I feel like it sets everything into place and looks really nice against my skin tone. And that is what my face looks like set. As you can see there, it kind of diminishes the intensity of the foundation and kind of gives more of that blurred look to the skin. What I'm gonna do now is apply one of the blushes. They had actually sent me this one, which is their Flash Mauve, and I enjoyed it so much that I bought this one. This is the peach one, and it's called Permanent Vacation, which I feel like we can all relate to wanting. I definitely need a vacation, even if it's not permanently, but I just need a vacation. And these are very moussey and very pigmented. So I'm just going to pat that in. I think maybe I should have gotten another brush because this one doesn't apply exactly. It's too flared out. Okay, let me get another brush. Let me get another brush because this is a hot mess. I swear, this brush is one of my favorite ones, and it's like a no-name brush from Crown Brushes. It was from this set called the HD set, and I don't even think they make it anymore, and I absolutely love it. And here it is, nice and peachy. I should have started with this blush from the get-go because that brush was a little too flared, and I feel like it got it everywhere that I didn't want it to go. Now that we have our little blusher on, we are going to go in with the highlight. This is the same one that they had sent me previously called Fancy Fizz. It's a liquid one. It's a gold one, and we're gonna use a synthetic brush from Crown Brushes and apply this just to, whoo, that was a little too much. Okay. Okay. And we're gonna use the Spring It On Clover palette. I'm gonna go in, whoa! I got my shirt dirty. Now that I primed my eyes, I am going to go in with the shade Country Club, and we are going to apply this on the inner and outer part of our lid, and just tap that on, and then we'll blend it. Okay, so for the center shade, we are going to pop in this bright green right here, this lime spritz. Ooh, that is pretty. And basically what I'm gonna do is just blend that on the edges and then apply some lashes. Underneath my lash line, I'm gonna do the same thing with the colors and then pop in a green liner on the inner waterline. Okay, since the look is so bright on the top, what I'm gonna do is just go in with Olive You and put that along the lower lash line, and then on the inner corner, I'm gonna use Hint of Mint. Do Hint of Mint on that inner corner. Just really open up the eye. Okay, I'm gonna put on my lashes and come back. I know I look crazy right now. So I took off my cat ears, put some earrings on, and I am going to use the Spring It On lip gloss and see it through for the lips. These lip glosses are really nice. They're a little globby, but they don't get to the point where they like stick to your lips and become like yucky. So I really do like the formula. And here is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like these whole full face kind of chit chat get ready with me? Would you like to see more of them? I've been trying to branch more out of just doing unboxings and really do more beauty related, different kind of reviews, demo, get ready with me kind of videos. So let me know if you guys like this. This was definitely a different look, a very fun, bright look for me. But I definitely recommend trying Sheglam. Very affordable, and yeah, I'm very impressed by the quality, especially for the price point. Really, really great. So if you're on a budget, check out some of their stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, what you waiting for, girl? Hit that button, or boy. And my social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.